easy steps to create an Apple ID on Windows PC. So if you want to create an Apple ID on your Windows PC, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up any browser that you're comfortable with. And after opening your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now here, you need to just enter Apple, create your Apple ID. Now here you need to scroll down and click on how to create a new Apple account. And here from the drop down, you need to go with web. And once you click on it, here you'll have account.apple.com. You need to click on this. Or you can also search for account.apple.com on your browser, and this will take you to the same kind of interface. Once you have this, now you need to go with sign in, which is here in the middle of your screen. And you may have create your Apple account option. But if you don't find create option right here, you will have that on the top right. You'll have create your Apple account. Just click on it, and then it will take you to the create page. Now, once you have the create page, you need to enter your first and last name, and then enter your country or region, and then enter your date of birth, your day, your month, and the year, and then your email address. Apple, you need to create one Apple address. So enter an address, and after entering, you need to create a password. And after creating your password, you need to enter your country options, select your country, and then enter your phone number and go with the verification. You can select text verification or phone call verification, and then you can turn these options on. And here you will have the characters. You need to type in the characters that you see in this image, and then go with continue. And after that, your account will be created. Just follow the prompts, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.